Here in this question, we need to find the value of 6 minus 6 into 6 minus 6. So first 6 minus 6 is 0. Next into 6 minus 6 is 0. 0 into 0 we get 0. But this is the wrong answer. Let's see the correct method to do this. So for this we need to use the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule. Here B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. In the given question, we have positive 6, negative 6 into positive 6 and negative 6. So first here we need to do the multiplication. Next, after the multiplication, we have the addition. But in the given question, we don't have the addition. So after addition, we need to do the subtraction. First, write here 6 minus 6 into 6 minus 6. This is the given question. Now 6 minus, here we need to do the multiplication. So 6 into 6 we get 36 minus 6 equals to, again here 6, here we have negative 36 and negative 6. So we get negative 42. Here we have positive 6 and negative 42. So for this we get negative 36. By subtracting 6 from 42 we get negative 36. So the right answer for this is 6 minus 6 into 6 minus 6. The right answer is minus 36.